This is for S0-1068, the kit explosion. So I have my extended solution turned on via my DSD extended solution setup, and I have my kit retention method set as special item. There's multiple options here. And then I have all the additional option checkboxes turned on. If you need further in-depth details of each of these checkboxes, you can reference our user manual on our Enhancements Marketplace. It's a great resource to learn about additional features of what each of these checkboxes do. But I'm just going to hop into a quick demo. So if I go into sales order entry, just go ahead and create an order here. If I go to the lines, I have my own item code. I'm going to say no to explode them, and then you get the new pop-up with the enhancement installed. Do you want to convert components to items? I'm going to go ahead and say yes. I'm going to put in my quantity ordered, and then it's going to go ahead and bring in my 2 components and create those as items. And then it left my Ashley item code as with the little star special item. Again, that was based off of my setup. You can have the kit component be set to something different. You can tell it to not retain it, that sort of thing as well. But this is S0-1068.